Assalamualaikum Mr. Gunawan.
Waalaikumsalam, Mr. Dimas.
Mr. Gunawan,
I'm well, Mr. Dimas. And how are you?
I am very well, thank you. Are you busy now, Mr. Gunawan?
Oh, no, I'm not busy now, Mr. Dimas. Why?
Let's go to cafe, Mr. Gunawan.
Sound good, Mr. Dimas. Let's go. But my motorbike is broken. Do you have motorbike?
Yes, I have motorbike, Mr.
Please pick
Gunawan.
me up, Mr. Dimas.
Where? I have to pick you up, Mr.
In my
Gunawan.
home, of course, Mr. Dimas.
Yes, Mr. Gunawan. On the way to your home.
Okay, Mr. Dimas, be careful.
See you later, Mr. Gunawan.
See you, Mr. Dimas.
Assalamualaikum, Mr. Gunawan.
Waalaikumsalam. Yes, Mr. Dimas.
Let's go to cafe, Mr. Gunawan.
Let's go, Mr. Dimas. Wait. I take my helmet.
Yes, Mr. Gunawan.
What do you want, Mr. Dimas?
I want cappuccino. And how about you, Mr. Gunawan?
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Dimas. I fasting now.
Why you don't tell me?
Sorry, Mr. Dimas. I forget.
Oh, okay. Can I have cappuccino?
Yes, of course. I will bring your cappuccino to your table. Have seat, please.
Yes, thank you.
Sit here, Dimas.
Okay, Gunawan.
This is your menu.
Wait. You are Eka Rani?
Yes, of course. I'm Eka.
How are you, Mr. Eka?
I'm fine, thank you. And how are you?
I am well, thank you, Mr. Eka. Mr. Eka, this
Yes.
is Mr. Dimas. Do you remember?
Yes, I remember.
Hello, brother.
Hello, brother.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And how are you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Do you work in here?
Yes, I work in here.
How long do you work in here?
I work 3 months
Oh,
in here.
Mr. Eka,
Yes,
do you have cell phone number?
yes, I have.
Please give me, Mr. Eka.
Okay, wait. This is
What's your
my
number?
number.
This is the correct time?
Yes, this is.
Thank you, Mr. Eka.
You're welcome. Brother, I'm sorry, brother. I go to work soon.
Okay, Mr. Eka.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Thank you, Mr. Eka.
You're welcome.
Do you have brother, Dimas?
Yes, I have brother.
Why you don't bring your brother?
I think my brother is busy, Mr. Gunawan.
Oh, your brother busy.
Yes.
And where were you yesterday?
I was in Surabaya yesterday.
Mr. Dimas, Mr. Eka's number.
Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, finish. Thank you, Mr. Gunawan.
You're welcome, Mr. Dimas. How is the cappuccino, Dimas?
That's great. I like it.
Actually, I like the cappuccino, but I'm fasting now. Maybe next time I will try the cappuccino.
Because you are fasting, let's go home.
Let's go.